Hello and welcome everyone out there. Let's see how to draw 300-degree using a compass in a super easy way within 2 minutes. So check it out and don't forget to subscribe, hitting the bell icon to get the latest updates every weekend. At first, let's draw a baseline like this, taking any measurement. Mark the line as OC. Now, using your compass, take a radius of any measurement less than the half of the line. Now, place your compass like this below the line, putting it on the point O. Now, draw an extended arc like this, more than 3/4 of a circle. Now, without changing the radius of the compass, place it on its cutting point with the line. Now, draw an arc taking the same radius from the cutting point to intersect with the first arc, like this. Now, repeat the same process to draw the second arc from the last intersection point. Keep on repeating the same process 3 more times to make it a total of 5 intersection points. Like this, as the 5th intersection point is our required point to make it a 300-degree. Now, take a ruler and place it properly on the 2 points to join the last intersection point with the center point O. Now, drag the line like this and then mark it as OD. Thus, COD is our required angle. In my previous videos, I have shown that first intersection on an arc cut by the same arc is 60 degree and each cut is a multiple of 60 degree, therefore the fifth cut is 300 degree because 60 multiplied by 5 is equal to 300 degree. Thus, angle COD is our required angle of 300 degree. For more contents like this, please check out the end screen videos and the description box as well.
At last, I have a small solicitation for you. If you find this video helpful even a little bit, then please subscribe this channel
And press the like button
to support us. And share it right now with your friends or loved ones to motivate them as well. Because our sole objective is to help you. That's it for now. We will be back with a new video every other weekend. Until then, keep learning, keep sparkling. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.